Okay, fly time is starting.
Oh, what about the joysticks?
Yep, I'm going to show you that. You hold this camera.
Yep.
Okay, so the joysticks are right down here. And a good tip, if you have a backpack or a bag, always take these off. Always take these off because I've kept them on and they bend and they throw off it just isn't good.
Yeah.
So I always take them off. And then for DJI, for powering devices on, you press once, press and hold.
Auto sync with the drone?
Yes, as soon as I turn the drone on. So you've got your drone, you want to do a quick little inspection, you know, look at the propellers. I don't see any cracks. We're just looking at the propellers, just making sure everything's good. I only use DJI, you know, OEM parts. Don't get any different kind of parts. Don't get a different battery. Don't get different propellers. So when you're looking at your propellers, just kind of slide your fingers, looking for cracks. Look at these little tips. If these tips are loose or coming off, these rubber tips, that's not good. It's time to switch the propellers. But these look great. Now for the controls. So the controls, your left stick, this is to turn it. This is to turn it, make it yaw. This is to make it go up, down, and this will make it what they call a yaw. It just spins. Mike's got the remote. The drone is on. So he's, you know, he probably has never touched a remote before. So let's take a look at this. So, you know, to crank the drone or to make it take off, there's a takeoff button on the remote, or you can take both sticks and put them down that way and that'll crank it. If you're like, well, I don't want to take off right now, just pull this one down and it'll go back off.
All right.
So your left stick is the drone's going to go up, and then this is just going to go forward, backwards, sideways. This, just think of the right stick as motion away from the center. It's going to go sideways, it's going to go forward. This one's just going to turn it in one place, one fixed place. So now for you just have to decide if you want to take off this way. Now if you press this, then you can press this key right there, the C, I think it's the C1 key. Press the C1 key. Once you press and hold that, now when you're ready to go, you just press the C1 key. Now you can go straight up. I would just go a little bit height over these trees. I like flying drones up. You know, you can't go more than 400 feet. You have to stay under 400 feet with FAA laws, but I mean, we're not talking FPV. So I like to go up, and you can go as up, you know, keep it going up to like 300 if you want to, and then just fly around.